Hey guys, welcome to our High Tech Institution YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna see the Amazon Poly. Okay, so why that service and how we can work with that. Those things literally today we're gonna see. Okay, first of all, why this Poly? What is the actual purpose of Poly means? See, if you wanted to convert text to speech means you can use this service. Okay, so whatever the content which you wanted to make that as a voice means you can use this. Okay, so that's what today we're gonna see, and some interesting things are there inside, and we'll see about the pricing model as well in that portal. Yeah, so first let me log into the AWS portal. So yeah, so first I'm just yeah. So it took my credential. So now I'm just going to open the Amazon. And if you are using free trial, you don't worry about the billing. But if you go and work with pay as you go or any other subscription means some billing would come over. And see, this is the interface. And see engine type: generative, long form, neural, standard. Like various engines they are providing here. Okay, so generative long term they newly introduced, but previously neural and standard only will be there. So this neural, see this is the content which is giving us a demo. So I'm just giving it like, hi, my name is Ram. I will read. This is the content. So I'm just changing the voice to Matthew. Okay, Matthew gonna speak this sentence. So let's see.
Hi, my name is Ram. I will read any text you type here.
Yeah. See, just before Matthew pronounced the sentence. See, not only this kind of way of approach. See, here you can find the SSML as well. SSML means this is like, you know, it's a, language we are using. Yeah, SSML. See, speech synthesis markup language. See, literally here in HTML we are using some tags, right? There we would give the heading size and font designs and that we would give. Okay, so similarly here also we need to follow the same kind of syntax, but you don't worry about the syntax thing because they're giving the documentation. There itself we can find the syntaxes. Okay, let me show you. Just click this one. See, this would open. Okay, generating speech from SSML documents. And yeah, so this is the example which they are giving. And yeah, so here we can do the whispering sounds and the breathing sounds, that the photonic pronunciations. These things and all here we can get. Okay, so if you wanted to know those supported tag means, just click this link. It would redirect into the respective documentation site. See here, there are many tags they are providing here. So I'm just taking this whispering sound. Okay. See, this is the syntax which they are giving, and if you're gonna scroll, you can find the example statement also. So I'm just copying this and we can paste here. See, the speak you need to mention this is mandatory in this SSML area, and the effect is Amazon effect and name equal to whisper. Okay, so if you make a noise after that, sorry, this sentence would come in a whispered sound. After that, this also, this they will hear us. This also comes in whispered sound. And okay, so I'm just taking the same Matthew voice, and also this won't work in this standard area. If I'm going to give this listen, see, this won't work. So go with the another engine. So this standard would execute this. So Let's execute this.
If you make any noise, she said, they will hear us.
Okay, see, just before we got the respective voice. Okay, let me exit.
If you make any noise, she said, they will hear us.
Yeah, we can hear this she say. Otherwise, these remaining things and all we getting in a whispered sound. Okay, so yeah, and also we can download this one. See, we can download that in the MP3 format. And the main important thing is we can change the download format type as well. Okay, if you are not comfortable to go with the MP3, if you are comfortable to go with the OGG or PCM means you can convert the type. And also you can change the heads also. Okay, so yeah, so and also here there is an option which we can save this speech, save this audio file to an S3 bucket as well. Okay, if you have a bucket you can give this name, and this S3 bucket folder prefixes and then the notification, these options are um, optional. So only the thing is you need to give the bucket name, then the respective audio would save under the respective bucket. Okay, and yeah, and if you wanted to know about the pricing means, just go to the Amazon Poly interface. There if you're gonna scroll, you can check the pricing. So I'm just clicking this. See, this is the AWS pricing calculator. See, in this free trial we don't worry about the billing, but here we need to pay $4. Okay, so here if you wanted to get more details about the pricing in Poly means, you can go through everything and then you can work it accordingly. If you're gonna do practice, you don't worry about it. Currently we are using free trial, but if you are going to work on an enterprises means, you should worry about this. Okay, sorry, you should check about this, because there you are not going to pay any bill, but you have to check this. Okay, and yeah, so that's it in this video. And yeah, so here you can get the info. Okay, so how it works, the data you wanted to know means, you can read the statement here, and some features and then the benefits they are giving here, that real-time streaming, that low cost voice conversion, these things and all here you can get. And yeah, so and then where and all we can apply that sample use cases they are giving. Okay. Yeah, that's it guys in this video. In the next video I'll come up with one interesting topic. Thank you everyone, see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you everyone, bye.